What did you just do?
I made my lightsaber.
Is that your lightsaber?
It's my lightsaber.
And what color is the blade?
It's purple.
It's perp.
So purple.
It's so perp.
And it will be yellow, because I want yellow also. Because
Did you have fun?
I did.
Was it worth it?
Oh God, I cried. I cried.
Was it
I'm
worth
so
the
proud.
price?
It's worth it.
It's worth it.
It's worth it, guys. I'm like really happy.
Welcome to the workshop. I know it's a little, it's a lot. But for us, it is everything. I see you met my fellow gatherers. You may call me Kenbei. I know that to some of you this looks like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it is new junk. So do we. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may well ensure a future. How many of you have heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? Yes. Well, we hear that there is now a new Jedi, a scrapper like us. Anybody know her name?
Ray.
Ray, yes. I would be very disappointed if you did not know her. What she is leading is the spark of hope that we have all been waiting for. And that, my friends, is why you are here. So look ahead. Build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a work of art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But I could talk forever. Let's build something. We start off with the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. The kyber crystal has been called the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. You may recognize some of these from the greatest Jedi heroes in history. The blue crystal, wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now, red. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are all stories of the past. We are here for the future. We are here for you. It is time to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes. I can see you close your eyes. Now, in your mind's eye, I want you to see kyber crystals of all the colors we've talked about. Red, green, blue, violet. One of these colors shines brighter than all the others. Your color, your crystal. In your mind's eye, select your kyber crystal. And remember, it is equally likely your crystal is selecting you. Take a deep breath and open your eyes and take your kyber crystal. hear the crystal singing to you. Now, hold up your kyber crystal and place it into the crystal holder right there in front of you. Excellent. Now, it is time to join your crystal to the saber design that you have selected. Now, you're going to build a hilt of your lightsaber. This is the foundation of the saber, your center of control. It's also the part that keeps your hands from disintegrating. Very useful. In the boxes in front of you, you will find all the different parts that you have chosen.
This is the protection and defense set, right?
Take a look at the box. You'll see the chassis, the grips, the emitters, the pommel caps, and the activation plates. Now, building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you chose your kyber crystal, now you will choose all of the parts of your saber that make it uniquely yours. Are you ready? Yes. Let's build.
Right, Sons Travelers, my name is Jacqueline, and I'll be your gatherer today to build. So first what we're going to do, we're going to take our chassis, make sure those lines are facing upward. Then you're going to take your kyber crystal and put it right in the center. There's some grooves that your kyber crystal will go in, and once it's in properly, it will sing to you to tell you that it's working.
Oh,
I guess
go.
that's correct.
Perfect, and you should be able to spin it.
Spin it.
I'll go in those grooves.
There we go.
Can you spin it?
I can spin
There
it.
you go.
There we go.
And it will light up the color of
Neat.
What I usually do is I put the spike in first and then push up the top.
There you go.
Okay.
Just like that. Alright, next what you will do, so on your chassis you will see a red and blue mark. You're going to choose one set of activation plates and it will show you the red and blue mark inside. It goes with blue, red with red. I see.
Which ones do you like?
I like this one a lot, actually. I'm gonna go with that one. This way.
Yeah, match up the colors.
Matching up the colors.
Can we do that?
Oh, hey, there we go.
There you go.
And when you're done, kind of flip the switch. You'll be able to hear it, and this is very important to know.
Oh,
There you go.
Next we have
Do
the
that again.
grips. You can choose 2 of the 4 grips. You will notice on one side it's kind of bigger, it has a lip, and you'll see a groove in the center. That groove will go towards your activation plate. Apply a little bit of pressure to get it on.
Yep, there's the groove right there. Yeah. Is that the one that you like? I like that one.
I don't know, I kind of like the grooves in this one.
Grab the one that you like.
Yeah. Okay.
And then after you choose your grips, next is the emitter. That is where the blade will come out. And you put the emitter right on top. Whichever one you really like. I know there's so many options.
I really like this one. I think this one. Okay, check
It
that
lines
out.
up.
Yeah, it lines up.
And now you just need a pommel cap.
Okay, now the pommel cap.
That one or that one?
I don't know, I like
Kind of sticking with a theme there, huh?
Yeah, I really dig that actually. So let's do that.
You satisfied with your belt? Amazing.
Yeah.
When you feel you're satisfied with your belt, you can place it right in front of the holder.
Okay,
Let's see it.
that's
Is that your saber?
I think so, yeah.
Are you satisfied with your belt?
Yes. Yes.
You were prepared.
Okay, very well.
A great build here, and it's beautiful. These are some of the coolest sabers in the Do you know what these mean?
All right, put it in the holder.
You two should adventure together.
The Force has connected us.
Absolutely.
right.
Which is why you're both in this room right now, at the same time. That is amazing. Have you felt it yet? Picked it up?
Why do you ask what color kyber did you get? The Force has connected us.
Did you get the same?
Yes.
Each other's information now.
All purple and all the same set, and all this almost the exact same build. Look at this.
Do you know
Separated at birth.
calls and texts means?
Not yet.
Neither do I.
Look at that. You all built almost the same saber, and you had the same color crystal.
That's amazing.
You were separated at birth.
You guys were the purple, right? Yeah. We all green.
That's amazing.
I want you all to think a moment about from how far away all of these pieces and parts have come. From all over the galaxy, from all through history, they have come to be in this room for you at this moment. I want you to reach out, place your hands on your lightsaber hilt, and connect energy to your hilt and your kyber crystal. You have completed your lightsaber hilts, and nothing surprising or traumatic has happened.
Yes.
Yet. Well, that actually brings me to an important moment. This is actually the most dangerous part of the process. We have to stabilize the crystal for activation. So builders, leave your lightsaber hilts at your stations now and take a big step back. Gatherers, are you ready? Good. Right now your gatherers are inserting your lightsabers into the crystal stabilization chamber. This is a very difficult process and should only be done by somebody with a lot of experience and training. Training. Better you than me this time. Do you remember to find out if everything is lined up correctly? You prepared for a burnout. Everybody, hold your breath. What's happening?
Well done. Chosen approach with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take that first step. We have now reached the final part of the process. The bond between Builder and Lightsaber is about to be forged. Builders, on my signal, you will step forward, place your hands on the hilt of your lightsaber, and when I give the signal all together, we will activate. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Everyone step forward. Hands on your saber, activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path, only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. To help you protect your new lightsaber, we are pleased to present each of you with a lightsaber sheath as you depart.
Ooh, fancy.
Our time here is at an end, but your journey is only beginning. It is time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are each as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Till the spire!
To the spire!